Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, chicken bean sprouts with oyster sauce. Absolutely delicious, really quite easy. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here today. Really quite easy. So chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut into nice thin strips. Onion, I'm using red, sliced. Bamboo shoots. Now the bamboo shoots I got from a can. If you can get them fresh, you're very lucky. If you've got a local Asian store, these are from a can. It comes in kind of big chunks. What I've done is I cut it into this size pieces. Then we've got green onions or spring onions, equal parts, like a tablespoon each of garlic and ginger. And then equal parts again, there's like a quarter cup there of a light soy and oyster sauce. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add a touch of salt and pepper. By the way, all of the amounts of the ingredients are going to be in the text below. Let's get over to the cooker. Okay, so I've got a wok here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil and we need to get this nice and hot. The first thing we're going to do is drop in our ginger. Let it do its thing for a few seconds. It'll really infuse that oil, give it a lovely flavour. We're then going to simply drop in our onion and our chicken. Like I say, chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut nice and thin, high heat, keep it moving. I'll see you in 4 minutes. Fantastic stuff. Now time to add our garlic and our bamboo shoots. And there you go. A little bit of salt, not too much because we're adding soy sauce and oyster sauce, which is salty. Some black pepper. Staying on the high heat. About 3 more minutes. See you then. Really wonderful, this one, and simple. Okay, now we're going to add soy sauce. Just like a quarter cup there of a light soy sauce. Oyster sauce, same amount. Little splash of water, not too much. Staying on the high heat again, 3 minutes, we're done. I'll see you at the table. Okay, there you go. Really nice with some white rice. Got our green onions or spring onions, scallions, whatever you call them, just on the top. That's it. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon.